Tom Hughes, and I'm the CEO of GembaDocs. I'm also the author of a book called Improvement Starts With I, How to Implement an Extraordinary Lean Culture. And I've known Alex Ramirez for 6 odd years now, and Alex has been a real inspirational mentor and friend for me. His knowledge of lean is really deep. His knowledge of organization change is really deep. I've never seen a better coach of lean. Alex really understands this at a really deep level, and I know that he has helped and it will continue to help management teams implement lean in a way that really gets to the front line and includes everybody in the organization from top to bottom and has total engagement from the people. And that's what's needed for lean to really sing. And I don't know anyone who gets that at a better level than Alex does, and has the interpersonal skills and the finesse to help management teams get that culture in place. And he also has a deep knowledge of the tools and techniques of lean. So I couldn't recommend Alex highly enough. I wish you all the best in your work with him. Thanks again, Tom Hughes.